Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about the exercise 1.2 of the NCERT book of 11th class. So first question is, which of the followings are example of null set? And what is the null set? A set which contains no element. And we give notation in the previous video also, phi and braces only. There is no element mentioned here. So first part is what? Set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2. So answer is, what is the definition of odd number? Odd number, a natural number which is not divisible by 2. This is the definition of odd number. So set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2 is empty, because if it is divisible by 2, then the number becomes even, not odd. So the number which is not divisible by 2 is odd. This is the definition. So there exists no any element which is odd as well as divisible by 2. So the set is empty, or we can call the set is null, because empty and null are equal. Now what is the second question? The set of even prime numbers. So set of even prime number is not empty. Why it is? Because primes का collection क्या होता है? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. But we see 2 is even as well as prime. So in this set of even prime number, this is contain 2. So this is not empty set. Now what is the third? X such that x is a natural number, x is less than 5 and x is greater than 7. So x such that x is natural number less than 5 and greater than 7 is also empty. Why it is? Because if number is x less than 5, and since x is natural number, then what is the possibility for x? It is 1, 2, 3, 4. And x is natural number and x greater than 7. So what is the possibility for this? X can be 8, 9, 10, 11 and so on. But there is no natural number which is less than 5 and greater than 7. There is no any common element. So the set is empty. Now the next question is, y such that y is a point common to any two parallel lines. So we will see here the common point in parallel lines. So this set is also empty, because parallel lines don't meet at any point. So there is no any common point. So that means this set is empty. Now the second question is about finite or infinite. We know that what is the finite set? The number of element in a set is finite, then set is finite, and if the set is not finite, we will call that infinite set. So the set of months of a year, it is easy. So there are 12 months in a year, so this set is finite. Second is 1, 2, 3. I think this is the collection of natural number, and natural numbers are not finite. So that means this set is infinite. But look that set 1, 2, 3 up to so on 100. This is the counting from 1 to 100. So that means this set is finite, because there are finite number of elements. Exactly 100 elements are there. Fourth part, the set of positive integers greater than 100. So greater than 100, if we look this set, greater than 100, so what is the numbers here actually? 101, 102 and up to so on. Continuous. So continuously it will go like 103, 4, 5 like that. So this set is infinite. After that, the set of prime numbers less than 99. This set is also finite. And after that, state whether each of the following set is finite or infinite. So first part, the set of lines which are parallel to x-axis. So this set is infinite actually. Why it is? So this is our x-axis, this is y-axis, and the line parallel to x-axis is what? Passing through this. And at every point, here also line, here also line, and it goes like that, downward also. So the collection of all lines is infinite. Because from each real number we can pass a line, and real numbers are infinite, so the lines are also infinite. Next question, the set of letters in English alphabet. So this is finite. There are 26 alphabet, A to up to Z. After that, the set of numbers which are multiple of 5. So multiple of 5 is the set 5, 10, 15, 20 up to so on. So this set is also infinite. And the fourth part, the set of animals living on the earth. This is finite set. It is a big number, but after that also it is finite. Fifth number, the set of circles passing through the origin. So if we look that, passing through origin means circle is like that. This circle is also here. Sorry. This, and I think it will not terminate. Because like that also. So there are infinite many circles. We can take different radius and make a circle passing through origin. So here the possibility of radius is infinite. So that means circles are also infinite. Next, in the following state, whether A equal to B or not, sets are equal. What is the definition of this? Two sets are equal A and B are equal if there are two conditions. First, number of elements in A should be equal to number of elements in B. Second, if x in A, then x in B, and vice versa. और अगर ये वाली कंडीशन गिवन है और ये कंडीशन गिवन तो भी इक्वल सेट बन जाएगा, बिकॉज एवरी एलिमेंट ऑफ ए इज इन बी. बट बी के अंदर एन एलिमेंट, जितने एलिमेंट इसके अंदर उससे ज़्यादा नहीं हो सकते, तो एग्जैक्टली वही एलिमेंट हैं जितने ए के अंदर हैं. सो ए बी सी डी एंड बी इज व्हाट, डी सी बी ए. और हमने देखा था कि सेट जब हम लिखते हैं तो ऑर्डर मैटर नहीं करता. सो इसमें ए है, यहाँ पर भी ए है, बी है, यहाँ पर बी है, यहाँ पे सी है, यहाँ पे सी है, यहाँ पे डी है, यहाँ पे डी है. सो दिस सेट्स आर इक्वल. सेकेंड, 4, 8, 12, 16. यहाँ पर 4 है, यहाँ पे 4 है, यहाँ पे 8 है, यहाँ पर भी 8 है, यहाँ 12 है, बट यहाँ पर 12 नहीं है. सो दिस सेट्स are not equal. Now third, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 और यहाँ पर है x such that x is positive even integer and x is less than equal to 10. So अगर हम इस सेट को देखें, इसका रोस्टर फॉर्म देखें तो क्या बनेगा, पॉजिटिव इवन इंटीजर है और पॉजिटिव इवन इंटीजर क्या होते हैं 2, 4, 6, बट वो किससे लेस देन इक्वल है 10. सो ये जो सेट है वो क्या है 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 which is exactly the set this. So these sets are equal. Now fourth, a such that x, a set is like that x such that x is a multiple of 10 and multiple of 10 means what, a is equal to 10, 20, 30 and so on. And here b is what, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. सो यहाँ पर हमारे पास क्या है 15, लेकिन यहाँ पर 15 बिलोंग नहीं करता, यहाँ पर 15 नहीं है. सो दिस सेट्स आर ऑल्सो नॉट इक्वल. सो फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन, आर द फॉलोइंग पेयर्स ऑफ सेट्स इक्वल, गिव रीजन्स. सो फर्स्ट सेट A is 2 and 3. Here B is given that x such that x is a solution of x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. So we want to calculate which is the solution for this equation. So x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. We want to calculate the solution of this equation. So calculate. So in 10th class we have seen that x square we can factor it like 2x plus 3x plus 6 equal to 0. X is common, 3 is common. So x plus 2, x plus 3 equal to 0. This implies either x plus 2 equal to 0 and x plus 3 equal to 0. So there are two solutions possible. So x is minus 2 and minus 3. So the set of solution of this equation is minus 2 and minus 3. So this set is minus 2 minus 3. बट यहाँ पर a क्या है 2 and 3, यहाँ पे minus 2 और minus 3 है, 2 not equal to minus 2. So this set is not equal. Second, x such that x is later in the word follow. अगर हम a का क्या लिखें, रोस्टर फॉर्म लिखें तो क्या बनेगा f, o, l, अब l हम यहाँ पर लिख चुके हैं ऑलरेडी और सेट में रिपीटेशन नहीं होता, तो ये होगा o भी आ चुका है तो अब w. नाउ इन द वॉल्फ in b set y says that y is a letter in the word wolf. So this set if we write in the roster form, so this is w o l f. अब हम चेक करना चाहते हैं कि ये सेट इक्वल है या नहीं. So here f, here also f, here o, here also o, here l, here also l, here w, here is also w. So these sets are equal. So a equal to b here in the second part. Now sixth question, from the sets given below select equal sets. So first is a 2, 4, 8, 12. So we have to find which is equal to a. 2, 4, 8, 12. So here is 4, 8 but not 2. So a and c are not equal. A and b are also not equal. A and d also not equal. A and e also not equal. Not equal because there are even not equivalent. Now b 1, 2, 3, 4 and look at c. Look at c. So b and c are not equal but b and d are equal because here is 1, here is 1, here is 2, here is 2, here is 3, here is 3, here is 4, here is 4. So b equal to c, sorry no, b equal to D. And E and G are also equal because this is -1, this is -1, this is 1, 1. So these sets are also equal. So there are two pairs of equal sets. One is B equal to D and second E equal to Z. So in the next video हम थर्ड एक्सरसाइज का कुछ बेसिक करेंगे और कोशिश करेंगे थर्ड एक्सरसाइज को भी स्टार्ट करने की. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.